Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me Mankumani, your boss girl, and today we are going to create a DIY tint which is really a boom product in market today. आपने देखा होगा पाकिस्तानी और टर्किश सीरियल्स में ना हीरोइन की स्किन एकदम ग्लो कर रही होती है, pinkish, but that's not natural guys. We have a product for that's called a Tint. It's a liquid blush which lasts really long and looks really natural and beautiful. So we are going to create that, and I'm going to save a lot of your money because that product starts from this to this. So let's create our own tint.
So you can take any of the container to store the tint. I'm using gulab gel, taking around 1 spoon of gulab gel. And now I'm using this camel pink color. It's a food color. Any of the products from the market also contain the color. This is the safest color you can go for. And now I'm using this Boro Plus Aloe Vera gel. Around 1 spoon. This much is enough. And I'm using vitamin E tablets. 2 tablets are enough, or else it will get too much of oily. Also good for your skin. And now we will just mix it well. Blend, blend, blend. You can see how cute and jelly it turned out. This is how it looks.
So our tint is ready guys. It looks super cute in this container. You can use any of the container and use a dropper. I got it from medical store and I use the vitamin E capsule because सबके पास vitamin E easily होता है, and you can use the essential oil but it's optional. So let's see how it works.
I know how it works. I'm showing you how it works. So you can just use it like this, do the drop, and in fact I know I have used the tint of Nika. They have the same consistency and this looks really naturally beautiful. I also blend it on the nose because it looks really and बहुत जल्दी settle हो जाता है in your skin, and just do it like this.
I love it, and if you see the Korean serials and everything, this is the same effect you get. And little bit of here, and yeah, it looks super cute, and this is something you should try. I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this DIY works for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more such ideas and DIYs. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.